Hey, how you guys doing? Beautiful sunset here in my beautiful farm here in beautiful Borique. And today we are going on in an adventure, another adventure down yonder to the beautiful town of Peñuelas and perhaps Yauco as well, to see some of the beautiful rivers that I have never seen before. It's time to see all of the magic that Borinquen has, and I plan on continuing to show you more of this beautiful paradise that is Borique. So let's go on an adventure. And here we go on an adventure down yonder to the town of Peñuelas and Yauco. So look at the beautiful roads of Borique with potholes everywhere. We are going on an adventure to the many beautiful waterfalls that I have never seen, as Borique has so many magical hidden spots everywhere. Not hidden, but well, mostly some of them are hidden. So let's see. Let's go! Look at this vegan paradise right here. And I will be feasting on the delicious mangoes from this beautiful mango tree here in Peñuelas. It's amazing. Here is the mangoes. Delicious yum yums await. Look at this magic. Here we have made it. Of course, you could know where the place is just to look at the trash and follow the trash, and you will find your destination. This is, you know, there's a trash can there, right? But oh, it's broken. It's a broken trash can. There's no bottom. No, there's no bottom. But people will throw they'll throw the trash in there still. They go, yep, because this is how many people prefer it. There's another trash can, it gets filled, and when it gets filled, oh well, the trash can is on the floor, it's in nature. It's really sad and pathetic to treat your island like this, and many people are oblivious to this. You know, many people are oblivious to this, like they're oblivious to this beauty. So we are on to our journey now to enjoy the beautiful rivers, to get away from the trash. Hopefully there's not that much trash up here, but it's pathetic to continue to see that. All right, let's go on our journey. This is what I'm talking about, radically wild, man. My types of rivers are the ones that are difficult to get to. And I've never been here before, but there's some more climbing to go all the way up there. So let's go on the journey. Yeah. Let's see. Which way do we go? Let's see. Path A. Whoa. Or path B. Let's see which one we choose. And so the left, we go left and see what lies up above. This is so beautiful. What I love most of living in Barefoot is feeling the textures of the earth, the mud under my feet, the dirt under, the energy that comes from walking barefoot. We have to learn how to play again and release our inner child. Hikes like this bring so much happiness to me because this is radically wild and this is what we need. We need to connect to all this magic, you know? Just look at this magic. Connect to this beauty that is life. Life is beautiful. Life is beautiful! Life is beautiful! Look at all of this beauty, this masterpiece, the artwork of nature. We don't realize that we are nature. Look at all of this beauty. You could see the trees like roots branching out to the universe. And so shall our roots connect to all of this beauty and magic of life that is around us and inside of us. Just take it all in and enjoy every moment. Be wild, everyone. This is Borinquen. I am in love. Is beautiful. What has become of me? I have become a wild, wild man. What has become of me? Living barefoot for the last 5 years in Borinquen, I have become radically wild. Look at this. This is the wildness that we have to connect to. Connect to your inner wild child. My feet are all terrain. I have been living in the beautiful paradise that is Borinquen for the last 11 years, and I have been completely barefoot for the last 5 years. My feet are all terrain, and it could go everywhere, and I enjoy living barefoot, feeling the textures, feeling this energy of the ground, and connecting to my primal ancestral ways of being.
Nature is my precious, and it's mine, oh mine.
And this is Borinquen. This is Borinquen. And I find that the places that have most families, the most families in them, are the ones that always get trashed the most. Look at that. And then look at this beauty. Magic in every inch of this beautiful paradise. And then you have that. And it seems like many people enjoy having trash, having a landfill for an island when they could choose to have the paradise that is Borinquen. And there's trash all through there. Really sad. Take the time to come to a beautiful place in nature, like the many places, beautiful places that you find in Borinquen, and take the time to breathe and listen to the sounds of nature. For music, connect to the vibrations and the frequencies of life. Because life is beautiful. Be wild, everyone. Now we leave this enchanted river back in darkness. So magical.
This is a fun hike.